importance we have to start today. So Peninsular Plateau is very rich in minerals, iron ore, coal and manganese. It is very rich in minerals like iron ore, coal, manganese. If I talk about the edge of the plateau, it is on the sides of the building dams. Okay, the edge of the plateau is a beautiful site for building dams over there. Cotton grows very well in your Deccan Plateau. Underline which crop grows in your Deccan Plateau, that is cotton. Scenic beauty is there of these highlands, and they attract the tourists from all over the world. They attracts the tourists from all over the world. The coastal plains and the islands. Now we will talk about the coastal plains and the islands. If I talk about long coastline of India, underline it is 7,615.5 kilometer. 7,615.5 kilometer. Here Western Ghats are there, other side Eastern Ghats are there. They are facing the sea. Coastal plains are very fertile. It is a green flat along with the coast. Coastal plains are very fertile because in the coastal plain rivers are there, sea is there, Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal. So they are very fertile and green in color. Western coastal plains are known as Konkan in the north and Malabar in the south. Western coastal plains are known as Konkan in the north and Malabar in the south. The western coastal plains are very narrow, very narrow. If I talk about eastern coastal plains, there lies your northern Sirkars in the north and Coromandel coast in the south. If I talk about eastern coastal plains, there lies your northern Sirkars in the north and Coromandel coast in the south. East flowing rivers of peninsular are where deltas are formed. Delta is a triangular shape which is formed near the mouth of the river. Okay, where they join Bay of Bengal. Eastern coastal plains are very broad and fertile. Eastern coastal plains are very broad and very fertile. Importance. See, these are your coastal plains, beta. You can see the area in the dark, this black part. This is your coastal plains. The coastal plains are very fertile. They support farming and fishing. Coastal plains are very fertile, now, So they support farming is the main activity done there and fishing also. Sea beaches are there which attracts the tourists from all over the world. Ports are there where ships come with the cargo. Harbors are there, okay, that lies along with the coastline. Okay, ports and harbors are basically for the ships which are coming from the other countries. Now, if I talk about islands, 2 islands are there in India. One is Andaman and Nicobar Islands, that is in your Bay of Bengal in the southeast, and your Lakshadweep Islands, that is in the Arabian Sea, off to the coast of Kerala. These 2 islands are part of Indian Union. They are union territories. Andaman and Nicobar are formed by Great Andamans and Little Andamans and Nicobar Islands. There are near about 300 islands in Andaman and Nicobar. So Andaman and Nicobar, they are formed with Great Andamans, Little Andamans and Nicobar Islands. They are numerous. Some are big in number, some are small in number, the islands. Tsunami came in 2004, which caused a great destruction in these islands. When tsunami came in 2004, great destruction held in these islands. The Lakshadweep Island is formed of the coral deposits. Coral deposits, beta, when the fishes die, okay, their skeleton, it is made up of their skeleton and algae comes up. So that are coral deposits. It is very beautiful. So Lakshadweep is formed because of the coral deposits. It is from a ring-shaped coral island on the Arabian Sea. You can see Lakshadweep Island, it is a kind of a ring shape. Okay, ring-shaped coral island is there in the Arabian Sea. Now we have talked about different physical divisions of India: Himalayan mountains, peninsular plateaus, Thar desert, northern plains, islands, coastal plains. So each region complements the other and makes India very rich in natural resources. India is having diverse physical units. We are influenced by the life of the people. Overall unity, it binds the regions. Okay, each region, they depend on the other. Interaction is there with the people that binds them socially and culturally. Okay, so one or the another physical division, it binds the country, it forms a unity in the country. Okay, socially and culturally also. While food also comes, means everything is not found in one area. Food also comes from one part to another. Minerals also come from one part to another. Everything is shared in our country. We proudly say that India is a land where unity of diversity is there. Okay, India is a land where unity of diversity is there, because we share also food. It goes from one part to another. Minerals also we share. Okay, so here your chapter is finished.